class. We're subbing in for Mr. Francis today because he hasn't been here for days. My name is Mr. Shelley Shannon Acacia Mawson, and this is Miss Jen. Today we're going to learn about the digestive system. Does anyone know what that is? Anyone? Anyone?
Anyone? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone?
Bueller, Vicky, Kate? No? Okay. It mainly involves the mouth and the salivary glands and the esophagus and the stomach and the pancreas and the gallbladder and the liver and the large intestine and the small intestine and the rectum. And leaves through the anus. So, if you eat, say, this stapler, all of these organs will be involved. Any questions? Anyone? Anyone? No? Okay. Most of us know, hopefully, that food is what supplies us with energy and raw materials that we use for growth and repair, such as the proteins and carbohydrates we've been learning so much about. That's right, Miss Jen. But in order for this food to be used, what has to happen? Anyone? Anyone? That's right, class. It has to be turned into simpler nutrients.
Hey, what happened?
What? How does that happen, you ask? Well, that's what we're here to tell you since Mr. Francis is currently unavailable. When food enters your mouth, your teeth crush it up into tiny little pieces. Here, your salivary glands help put enzyme-containing saliva in your mouth to help break down the food. Who knew? And do all of you know what an enzyme is? No? Well, that's a shame, because
this is Sparta!
Does anyone know what happens next? Good question. Well, it goes down the esophagus, which passes behind the heart, which is right there. It is what carries food from the throat to the stomach. Ugh. Yes, I know it sounds gross, but stay with us. The next organ the nutrients hit is the liver, which, according to these notes here, absorbs nutrients and makes bile.
My head.
Yes, I know it's a lot to take in, but don't worry, there's more. The pancreas, which is right there, assists the small intestines. It secretes pancreatic juice, which, for those who don't know what that is a liquid that contains enzymes and bicarbonate. Now, the small intestine is where the most digestion and absorption of food takes place. Then the large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes, which are chemicals like sodium, and dispose of waste. Rachel, I think we're losing them. No, they're fine. So, the last part is the rectum, which is here, which passes the waste through to the anus. That's lovely. I know! And the anus then passes the waste to the outside. Yeah. And that's the digestive system. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. Bye.
That's all, folks.